This is the replica of Tutankhamun's burial chamber, that includes copies of the wall decoration and of the sarcophagus. Both were reproduced based on highly detailed scans. The replica was presented to the Egyptian government in 2012 and installed next to Carter House, where Carter lived while working on the tomb, near the entrance to the Valley of the Kings. King Tutankhamun's tomb, which was discovered in 1922 by Howard Carter, remains in the Valley of the Kings in Luxor, Egypt. His nearly intact tomb held a wealth of objects that give us unique insights into this period of ancient Egyptian history. Most of the tomb's treasures are now on display at the Grand Egyptian Museum in Giza. However, Tutankhamun's mummy and sarcophagus are still on display in the tomb in Luxor. The burial chamber was the only decorated part of the tomb KV 62, where the young King Tutankhamun was buried. None of the decoration is executed in relief. It is painted with figures on a yellow background. It is decorated with scenes from the opening of the mouth ceremony in Tutankhamun with a number of gods and goddesses. Representations of the king with various deities like Anubis, Isis, and Hathor. In their hands they are holding Ankh, which symbolize Tutankhamun's eternal life in the afterworld. Although the walls of the pharaoh Tutankhamun's tomb are decorated with familiar scenes of this path to paradise, new research is now telling a fresh story about the real-world turmoil caused by the sudden death of the young king.